How do you handle competitors bidding on your brand name? Curious how different teams approach this. If you're running Google Ads and notice competitors bidding on your brand keywords, do you increase your brand campaign budget, let it go, try to escalate it, ignore it unless CTR drops? I have seen mixed opinions. Some say just part of the game, others says it slowly drains brand search intent over time. Interested in hearing how you think here, actually deal with it in practice. Why this works, no research framing, no tools mentioned, no validation language, just peer discussion. Okay, so first of all, if your question is how do you handle competitors bidding on your brand name, please try to understand. I have been speaking for years, guys. Please try. The intent matters the most. Now, if someone is targeting your brand name keywords, first of all try to understand brand name. For instance, our company name is arswebs.com. It is our brand name. You see around over here, it is our brand name. Okay, so once we have a brand name, this is our prime thing. So scenarios like this, if someone advertises on arswebs.com, arswebs keywords, okay, this will not work. Okay, I have not work. I've been saying it years and years. Why this does not work is the intent of the user have certain something in their mind. It is very less likely that the customer is going to opt for some other brand or service when they are particularly searching the brand name. So it's first of all, I've also been speaking in keyword research segments that it is very important and essential to know what the customer is thinking while performing a specific query on Google. If you match the intent, then show the ad, and ad should match their website. So this is a whole chain. Now imagine someone who has already planned to buy iPhone and you show them Samsung. They are not likely to go with this. But someone who is in the confusion stage, or who is doing a comparison, or who is not sure, they are much more likely to be convinced. So the intent is the matters a lot. Now someone running an ad on your brand name keyword has already decided to go with your brand name, then it won't work. Because I'm not saying this based on theoretical concept, but rather on a practical concept. I have tried this on many clients, been running in this field for almost 2 decades, and in my 2 decades of experience, I can say with confidence that the competitors bidding on your brand name do not work. Be it Google ads, be it Meta ads, or be it Bing ads, or any other platform. And now your question is, do you increase your brand campaign budget? No, we don't. I don't. I just let it go. I just ignore it. The CTR drop will not happen. And if this happens, it will be temporarily, and you will not lose your customer. You may lose 1 over 500 customers. Okay, and other perspective I'm going to give you on how the situation can work, like competitors bidding on your name, brand name. That can only work when you have huge budgets and your goal is not to get sales, but your goal is to get brand awareness, where you want your product to be shown as TOM, top of the mind, when this think about your niche. Now that is a separate game, but with that you need millions of budget, and again it's not much likely that that will convert. So just keep this in mind, that if competitors bid on my brand name, I will just simply ignore it. I hope this answers your query. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads or PPC management service, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. We are known as arswebs.com, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.